Friends, Vande Mataram. So finally the predictions which I had given in Jan 2022 went 100% true. What we had predicted, I had predicted that Nifty will get closer in 17,400, and today is 31st of Jan, because I am making the video by evening. So the Nifty the closer was 17,339.85. It's very close to that figure. So I would say that the predictions were 100% true. Now I know that there will be complaint by many people that there was a lot of variation in few dates, because where we had predicted that the market would go high, and at that time the market went down, and vice versa. Well, I have been telling every time that this is not the market where you can keep the you will keep on booking the profit always, but definitely we should always be ready for the losses. And how we can stop the losses, for that I had given one video in our channel, I think on 7th of Jan. So you can check that title and the video. It's given in the playlist, so that you can follow the steps what I follow exactly. And definitely I don't book any losses, not even a single day. So you can, yeah, definitely it sounds a little unusual to hear that how it happened, but yeah, definitely I'm like these, there are few practices which I am following for myself. So let's start. First of Feb, points 50 points, I can see the market will be going little higher side, and then I can see after 12 p.m. that the trend will go down. Nifty I'm talking about, and minus 40 I can see by 3:30 p.m. Yeah, here I want to give you the tips that if you want to buy a few banking shares, you can book a lot of profit on 4th of Feb. So for that, definitely you need to buy banking shares on 1st of Feb, and you can book profit by 4th of Feb, because I could see that bank Nifty would go very high on 4th of Feb. So this is a tip. And 2nd of Feb, let's go. It is indicating that downtrend in the morning hours, but will pick up after 12:20 p.m. and I can see the positivity around 80 points higher at the day closer. And on 3rd of Feb, the market would be going up and down, and the closer will be little up after 2 p.m. a very little higher side I could see. And 4th of Feb, I had already predicted here. I have given the prediction only about the bank Nifty, and not giving any figure about the Nifty. 5th and 6th of Feb, it's a holiday. 7th of Feb, trend will be up in the morning, but will go down after 1 p.m. I'm not giving any figure, because again, a lot of complaint by many people that there are, like in the figure also there is a variation. Even I have been telling that this is not a easy task predicting about the market. On 8th of Feb, up and down will be there, but I could see the down finally by end of the day. And on 9th of Feb, little down. 10th of Feb, the market will go up completely around 100 points. 11th of Feb, 40 points up I can see. 12th and 13th of Feb, it's a holiday. 14th of Feb, it will go higher side. Then you can book profit if you want to, because after 12:30 there are possibility that market can go down. Here I'm not confident on this state, but yes, this is what I have calculated. On 15th of Feb, 30 point up. 60 Feb down. 17th Feb down till 11:15 a.m. Then it will go higher side, and the closer will be also in the higher side. Here now I'm not giving any points. 18th Feb, 70 points up. 19th and 20th. There is a Saturday and Sunday, so it's a holiday. And yes, here I want to tell you that on 18th of Feb, Saturn will be transiting in Dhanishta Nakshatra. This is a constellation. This constellation, the Dhanishta constellation, belongs to Mars. And this date is indicating something, that some kind of world change order, or some kind of a transformation, some kind of warlike situation in one Navvansh before and one Navvansh after. So 1 Navvansh is equal to 3 degree 20 minutes. So this degree is of Saturn basically. It's a very, the variation is very high about this degree. So if something happens, like if the Nifty would go down around 16,500 because of any situation if happen in the world, maybe the Ukraine Russia war is also expected, and that I have already predicted in April 2021. Definitely I have not predicted the war that time, that you can check the video what I had exactly predicted, and I'm going to give another video on that, updates what's going to happen now. So friends, don't get scared. If the Nifty would go down till 16,500, keep on buying over here for the bigger profit. So next points, 19th and 20th, it's holiday. 21st of Feb, 40 point up. 22nd Feb, 30 point up, and 23rd, 24th, 25th, I could see the downtrend. I'm not giving any figure. 26th and 7th, again holiday. 28th of Feb, there will be uptrend, and 70 point plus, I could see the market get closer. Now the exceptions I have given you about 18th of Feb, that what it can happen. But yes, 18th Feb, because when such kind of malefic planet, when they get transited in the malefic nakshatra constellation. Nakshatra is a Hindi word, constellation is a English constellation, what we say in Hindi is nakshatra. So when any malefic planet transited in malefic constellation, it gives the market, it indicates the market should go a little higher. So 18th Feb I have given 70 points up, and I think this should match also. Now the question, which is always the final question from you people, here I am going to give you two values. One value is before 25th of Feb, because downtrend I could see, market is likely to touch, like the Nifty is likely to be touched 18,300, and the closer I could see on 28th of Feb 2020 is 17,980. So these are the figures. Now a lot of questions by a lot of people, that they, like there are few native, they take a lot of tips from the people and still they don't get profit, because it happened because of your weakness of planets or the association of the planets with your fifth house. So it's my request to those people that they should get checked their horoscope by their astrologer, and their astrologer should check their horoscope thoroughly, that what kind of association is there in the fifth house, along with the D9 chart and the D60, which we call Shashamsha in Hindi. So after analyzing three of the chart, Dasha, Mahadasha, Antardasha, period, sub-period, sub-period, along with transit, so these combinations, they decide that people should proceed with future and option trading or long-term investment, and which in silver, gold, and which kind of stocks you should buy, like the which companies can give you the benefits. So friends, this is my suggestion. Before you come into this market, please check your horoscope with your astrologer, so that you should not be in the panic situation, because I've seen people getting panicky many times, because they buy and they sell immediately, and then it happen all of a sudden that those particular shares, they go higher, and they get always stressed. And similarly vice versa, when they start selling in the loss, the share would go higher side. So friend, these are the suggestions to you also, and now give me the permission. We'll meet soon. Wishing you all the best, and Bharat Mata ki Jai.